Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into SOXL. We previously published a report on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, and now we're back to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a promising investment, giving it a score of 1.34. Now, let's take a closer look at how this stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have seen a remarkable gain of 29.58% since we first recommended buying SOXL 26 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.14% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase in value. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 63.3% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 43.68% to 76.54%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 60.26% change over the next year, with a potential return between -18.21% and 71.57%. This suggests a price range of $30.13 to $63.21 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF reveals a significant drop in price. On Tuesday, the ETF experienced a decline of 5.9%. Specifically, the SOXL ETF price fell from $39.15 to $36.84 on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 7.97%, reaching a low of $35.16 and a high of $37.96. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has increased by 9.87% over the past 2 weeks. Despite a 14 million share increase in volume, the price decrease may indicate potential risks in the coming days. In total, approximately $3.15 billion worth of shares, amounting to 86 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking at the ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $41.33, while the lowest was $12.52. Currently, the price stands at $4.49 or 10.86% below the 52-week high. In comparison to the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24, the current price is $341.40 or 90.26% lower. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for the SOXL ETF. Let's dive in. Currently, there are mixed signals for the ETF. Last Friday, on February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 6.31% decrease. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is showing a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the ETF. On the positive side, both short and long-term moving averages suggest a buying opportunity for the SOXL ETF. Furthermore, the relation between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support at $36.68 and $32.37. However, if the ETF breaks below any of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 43 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 27 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average showed a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 51 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. When it comes to support levels, the ETF currently finds support just below today's level at $31.19 and $28.43. It's important to note that there is always a risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $31.19 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $28.43 and $28.10. As for volatility, this ETF can experience significant movements during the day. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. In the past day, the ETF moved $2.80 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 7.97%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 6.76%. Today, let's delve into some potential day trading levels for SOXL. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL stands at $37.12. If you're considering entering a position and don't currently own any shares, it might be prudent to wait until this level is surpassed. However, if you're already holding the stock, keep an eye on this level as it could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, SOXL encounters its first support level at $31.19. If this support level proves to be strong, it could serve as an attractive entry point with the anticipation of a potential rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $34.98, representing a decrease of 5.04%. This particular exchange-traded fund, ETF, experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in higher risk for investors. Additionally, a sell signal was triggered by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. There is a fair chance for the SOXL ETF to perform well in the short term. However, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility and recent movements in the market. Looking ahead to Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate that the SOXL ETF will open with a decrease of $0.185, starting trading at $36.65. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We're eager to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our goal is to help you become a successful trader. We hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.